As everyone, analysis on ADJPY trade that was sent out. So as you know, we were bearish biased against JPY. So every pair that was against JPY, we're looking to sell because it was reaching a really high. Every pair against JPY was reaching a really high, either really high radial resistance or was in need of correction, and that's what we saw today. We saw a massive correction in all the pairs against JPY. So firstly, let's go to 4 hour. That's where we start looking at ADJPY was. So we reached a very high 4 hour resistance. Last time the pair reached this high was on 20th of Jan, which was about 5 months ago, 6 months ago, 5 to 6 months ago. So we knew that this is really high, and last time when it did reach there, we saw a strong sell-off. So we expected the same thing to happen. So we knew that we were selling. So then we went to a short time frame to confirm some entries. We drew a 30-minute downtrend line. We knew this trend line is being followed and respected. As you know, every time price came, it dropped. Second time it came, it dropped. And when we saw a retest of the third time, just above 30-minute support, we knew this is a perfect entry, and that's why we entered in 15 minutes. And it was a quick scalp trade, and we saw a nice sell-off, guys. So again, simple trend line and resistance, nothing major. We knew price is reaching a strong daily 4 hour resistance and daily resistance, double confirmation, and that was all. It was more than enough for us to know that it should be selling rather than buying. Usually, yes, trend was upwards. Yes, we could have bought, but again, you still have to look at your technicals, and that's what technicals come into play. That where should you sell, or when is the new trend going to be forming. So when it's reaching a daily resistance or strong 4 hour resistance, more 90% of time there are going to be sellers present at that place, and you could easily catch some easily 20-30 pips as a scalp trade. If it was a long term trade, we might not have entered as a seller, we might be looking to buy, but not yet.